If you're looking for a chiropractic specialist in the Washington, Iowa area, consider visiting Tweeton Family Chiropractic PLC at 214 South Iowa Avenue. Dr. Daniel Tweeton is the local chiropractic expert serving the Washington County and Eliza County areas. Tweeton Family Chiropractic is known for their traditional hands-on approach and their commitment to improving the overall wellness of their patients in the community. Tweeton Family Chiropractic utilizes a number of techniques and therapies to improve the health of the spine and nervous system. Dr. Tweeton is an expert in adult and pediatric chiropractic treatment, pregnancy chiropractic care, and sports chiropractic care. In addition to these services, Tweeton Family Chiropractic also offers common supplement products such as turmeric and multivitamins, custom essential oil blend, therapy bands, cervical pillows, and more. When you visit Dr. Daniel Tweeton at Tweeton Family Chiropractic, you can expect knowledgeable care with a gentle hand. Dr. Tweeton commonly works with families in the area to solve every individual's concerns with a holistic and traditional chiropractic approach. While many chiropractors have transitioned to modernized techniques that require additional tools, Dr. Tweeton has found that a traditional approach is still the best way to treat his patients. With an understanding of each patient's health history, Dr. Tweeton utilizes the traditional hands-on chiropractic approach to correct any misalignments. Tweeton Family Chiropractic PLC is a fourth-generation chiropractic clinic established in Washington, Iowa in 2015. Dr. Daniel Tweeton currently runs his chiropractic office out of the same building as his father. It all started with Dr. Daniel Tweeton's great-grandfather, William Wittenberg. When William was a young child, he got into a serious accident that left his leg with a cut that developed an infection. At the time, antibiotics were inaccessible, and William was faced with the reality that amputation was the only solution. After young William's leg was amputated, the infection didn't clear up. His surgeon suggested more amputations, but William's father refused and decided they'd take a different approach by exploring chiropractic care. After a few treatments, William's body began to heal itself, and with more care, the infection completely left his body. This was the transformative experience that led William Wittenberg to pursue a career as a chiropractor and would inspire generations after him to do the same. The Tweetons are chiropractors by trade and tradition, and Dr. Daniel Tweeton continues to uphold his four-generation legacy from his great-grandfather, grandfather, and father through the expert care he gives his patients today. Dr. Tweeton says, "I love what I do and I love the results. Like my great-grandfather, many of my patients come in as a last-ditch resort, and as a chiropractor, I can help them out. I love being able to use drug-free, surgery-free treatments to help people solve the problems they're having." Dr. Tweeton is a 3-time published author of chiropractic booklets and was taught at the Logan College of Chiropractic, where he learned gentle, low-force techniques that are often used for young children. He knows the best hands-on chiropractic methods in and out, and that's the reason why he's so highly trusted by families in the Washington area. Tweeton Family Chiropractic is open 6 days a week and is committed to flexible scheduling to ensure patients have access to the expert care they deserve. At Tweeton Family Chiropractic, Dr. Daniel Tweeton is dedicated to bettering the community members' health and serving patients through a traditional, hands-on chiropractic method. If you'd like to start your journey towards health and wellness, give Tweeton Family Chiropractic a call at 319-653-2351.